Welcome to yet another important topic of interest in physics. Yes, it is the mass. Mass is the amount of matter an object contains. Mass of an object is the measure of its inertia. Greater the mass, the inertia would be greater. And if you have some amount of mass, no matter where you are in the universe, your mass will remain the same. But you weigh in different ways, in different amount at different places. Let's see what is weight. Weight is the force of attraction that acts on the object. Earth attracts every object with a certain force, and this force depends on the mass and the acceleration due to gravity of that particular place. The force of attraction of Earth on an object is known as the weight of the object. The weight of an object is the force with which it is attracted towards the Earth. If the weight of the object is more, we say that the attraction of the object is more. The SI unit of weight is the same as that of force, that is the Newton. Weight is the force that acts vertically downwards. It has both magnitude and direction just like force, and so it is a vector quantity. Weight of an object is directly proportional to that of the mass. That means weight is proportionate to mass. If the mass increases, the weight also increases in the same proportion. To remove the proportionality symbol, we can introduce a constant. Here we introduce the constant g, which is the gravity at a given place. The weight of an object can be used to measure its mass. Weight depends on the object's location. If you take an object to different place, the weight of the object also may vary. If you take the object to another planet, it depends on the planet's mass. The force of attraction on the object varies accordingly, and so weight depends on the object's location. Let's see how the weight of an object on moon is calculated. The weight of an object on moon is the force with which the moon attracts the object, just like the weight of object on earth is the force with which the object is attracted towards the earth. Similarly, here the weight of object on moon is the force with which the moon attracts the objects towards it. The mass of the moon is less than that of the earth, and so moon exerts lesser force on the object than the earth. Let's see how this is done. Suppose the mass of the moon is mm and its radius is rm. If both the body of the mass m is placed on the surface of the moon and on the surface of the earth, then weight of the body on the moon can be given as Wm, which is Gmm by Rm square. This is the equation that we had got from the universal law of gravitation, that is F is equal to Gmm by d square. Here the force F is the same as the weight of the object, and the distance of the two objects under consideration is the radius of the moon. Weight of the same body on the Earth's surface can be given as WE is equal to GMEM by RE square. Here ME is the mass of the Earth and RE is the radius of the Earth. Dividing the two equations that we got previously, we get Wm by We is equal to Mm by Me into Re square by Rm square. And so this can be equated in a much better way by putting the values for the mass of the Earth, the mass of the Moon, the radius of the Earth and the radius of the Moon. And so applying those values, we can get Wm by We would be approximately equal to 1 by 6, or we can say that the weight of body on the Moon is about 1/6 that its weight on Earth. And so since the body is the same on both the planets, on both the locations, whether it is the Earth or it is the Moon, the mass of the Earth and the Moon varies, and so the force of attraction varies in both the locations. Finally, keep in mind that your mass is the same wherever you go. Only thing, your weight changes. Suppose your mass is 56 kg. Your weight on Earth may be 560 Newton and the weight on Moon may be 90 Newton. Here again keep in mind 560 Newton divided by 6 would be the weight of the person on Moon, that is 560 by 6 would be approximately 90 Newton. So always remember that mass is constant. Wherever you take the object, the mass remains the same, and weight depends on the force of attraction on that object in whichever place it is taken. And the force of attraction of different planets is different because all the planets are of different masses.